Okay guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I try to trick you guys into thinking that this is like a different day because I just put on a windbreaker and I'm trying to maximize on timing, okay? I'm trying to maximize it on timing. Because I work a full-time job, okay? So if I want to create 2 videos in one day, I'm gonna do so. Anyways, we're gonna jump right into this. I'm gonna teach you guys how to create a fire. I am still out of breath from the last video. Can I get some water? I am going to teach you guys the fire. How to create a fire YouTube banner for the free. I hope it's free. Okay, hold on, I gotta sneeze. Thank you. So let me screen record. Okay, there's an app called Bazzart. B-A-Z-Z-A-R-T. You're gonna go to Bazzart, you're gonna find it in the App Store. Now, the App Store says you have to pay $3.99, yada yada. If you do have to pay $3.99 and that's something that you don't have, I believe, don't quote me on this, but I believe they have it to where you can subscribe for a free 3-day trial, which is fine because how often are you gonna need a YouTube banner? You just need to create one and get out of there, okay? That's all you need to do. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is pick like maybe 6-7 great photos that you have. So I'm gonna grab a random one. Let's say it's, boom, this. Okay. So you're going to grab a random photo and then you see where it says magic. There's gonna be a little thing on the side, on the bottom called magic. You're gonna click that. It is going to magically crop the photo for you. It's going to magically crop the photo for you. This app is so convenient that I pay for it. I pay for it monthly because I need it for various reasons. I don't know how I need it, but I need it. Sometimes I'll like create stories and I'll just crop my own images out of here and then put it to my story to promote my Instagram. It's just so useful to me. So if you want to keep it, I think it's a valid tool. I'm pretty sure there's other tools where you can do it for the free, but I recommend this one because it's so simple to use. I've always had problems starting new apps or trying new apps, and it's because my brain, once it gets used to one thing, I don't want to learn anything else. But this is so easy to use and everything is self-explanatory. So anyways, you crop your photo, right? And then you save it. You take multiples of your different photos and you crop them all and you just save them all. So they're all gonna be cropped images, right? So then after you save your photo, boom, you're gonna go back to the beginning. You're gonna hit the plus. You're gonna go and you're gonna click social media. You see where it says social media? Now this doesn't necessarily only have to be for your YouTube banner. You can do, this is how I got the idea to do them in my stories and stuff. You can create your own stories, Instagram Square, portraits. It has all these things already done for you and the sizing already done. So boom, you see where it says YouTube channel cover? You're gonna click that because that is gonna be the same sizing as your banner. You're gonna hit yes. And then now when it comes to background, you're gonna wanna choose a simple background. Now it gives you all these backgrounds to use, right? You can choose anything you want to. My favorite backgrounds are like clouds. I don't know why. I do like clouds. They do have some, like everything is themed, you know what I mean? So you can have like a gray background. It's really cool. So I would go through all these backgrounds if you want to choose one, but I pretty much stick to the basics and I go to colors. And then it has this beautiful palette of different nudes. And you're gonna choose, I chose like a light color nude, I believe. You're gonna hit the yes sign. And then you're gonna start bringing in all your photos that you've cropped. I'm just gonna put an influx of these ones because I don't wanna really get into like putting in all those other ones. And it has all these cool little tools here. So I'm just gonna duplicate a lot of them. Maybe make one a little bit bigger. You know, you can You could pretty much do what you want to do on here. This is why I like this app, because it's so clear and so like self-explanatory, you know? Keep in mind the banner is gonna, especially for like mobile, is a little bit different from like computers. So you're gonna wanna really make yourself big, you know, or make yourself small enough to fit. Some of them small enough to fit, you know what I mean? Another thing I like to do is add text. The text fonts here are also fire. Mine, I put the finest, or yeah, I put my at name twice. So I put the first one in lowercase, the finest Jade, all together. Make that hot pink, and then I go down to where it says like this, like something like this. You can choose the styling, the letter spacing of it, you know, the line spacing. Nothing has to be exactly how the font is. You can go to outline, choose a little outline that you want. Yeah, boom. I usually do something like this. Let's say if you want like a emoji or something, you can like copy an emoji off of Google, have the magic photo thingy here that crops it, save it, and add it into your banner. If you want to change the background, you can change the background. I feel like this would go good. Boom. Amazing. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Wow, amazing. You know what I mean? There's so much pre-stuff like that you have that's already here that you can use. It's, you know, glitter, whatever you want to freaking use it. Put in you could put in the YouTube symbol. I believe it already has some stickers here. I never use the stickers, but you can if you want to. There's just so much that you can use here. It is freaking amazing. And then you're just gonna save it and put it as your banner, and then preview it in the YouTube studio. That way you don't look stupid when you're actually, you know, watching stuff and then like your name is cropped out or something. So you're gonna want to go to your laptop and go to YouTube Studio and then view it, preview how it's gonna look. So if you guys want a fire, simple, easy to do banner, download Bazzart. This is not a sponsored video at all. I found it randomly and it was just so easy to use. And then that's it. Just delete it off of your phone if you don't want to, you know, keep paying for it monthly. And then boom, now you have a YouTube banner. And I also use this for my YouTube thumbnail, or not thumbnail, yeah, thumbnails. I use it for all my YouTube thumbnails. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. Thank you guys for subscribing. If you guys want to see more content like this, let me know. Bye.